In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a domain in Hostinger step by step. If you've just purchased a domain or you want to connect a new domain to your hosting account, Hostinger makes the process very simple once you know where everything is located inside the dashboard. The problem many beginners face is that they log into Hostinger and see a lot of different menus like hosting, websites, domains, and settings, and it's not always obvious which option you should click first. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, from logging into your Hostinger dashboard all the way to adding your domain and connecting it to your website properly. By the end of this video, your domain will be linked to your website and ready to use. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more simple website and hosting tutorials like this. Now let's jump right into the first step. The first thing you want to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Then click on the login button and enter the email and password associated with your Hostinger account. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, which is where you manage your hosting, domains, and websites. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu with different options. What you want to do here is click on the option called Websites. This section is where Hostinger lets you create and manage the websites connected to your hosting plan. After clicking Websites, you will see a list of any websites you already have on your account. If you're adding a brand new domain, the next step is to click the button that says Add Website. This will start the process of creating a new website and connecting it to your domain. Once you click Add Website, Hostinger will ask you what type of website you want to create. You'll typically see options such as WordPress, Hostinger Website Builder, or sometimes an option for other types of sites depending on your hosting plan. If you plan to run a blog, business site, or most typical websites, choosing WordPress is usually the most popular option because it's flexible and easy to manage. However, if you want a very simple drag-and-drop website, you could choose the Hostinger Website Builder instead. Select the option that best fits what you want to build and continue to the next step. Now, Hostinger will ask you to enter the domain name you want to connect to this website. In this field, simply type the domain that you want to add. For example, if your domain is yourwebsite.com, you would enter that exact domain name in the field provided. Make sure the spelling is correct because this domain will be connected directly to your website during setup. If the domain is already registered inside your Hostinger account, Hostinger will automatically detect it and prepare it to be connected. After entering the domain name, continue through the website setup process. Depending on the website type you selected earlier, Hostinger may ask you to create login credentials for your site, choose a template, or configure some basic settings. Just follow the prompts on the screen and complete the setup steps. The process usually only takes a minute or two. Once the setup is finished, Hostinger will automatically connect the domain to your website. This means your domain is now linked to the hosting account and your website files. In many cases, the connection works immediately, but sometimes it may take a short period of time for everything to fully activate depending on DNS propagation. If your site doesn't appear instantly, give it a little time and then try visiting your domain again. And that's basically it. You've successfully added a domain in Hostinger and connected it to a website. From here, you can start customizing your site, installing themes, adding pages, and building out your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials on websites, hosting, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.